Why we need pediatric surgeon to treat our children. Pediatric surgeon is a doctor who is experienced and skilled in treating and operating on children for any illness, injury or disease. The surgical issues in children are different that from the adults, and hence a special skill is needed which a pediatric surgeon can offer. The pediatric surgeons are skilled and educated in treating and operating on children from the newborn stage through late adolescence. They know how to examine and treat the children in a way that makes them relaxed and cooperative. Also, pediatric surgeons use specific equipments and facilities designed for children only, which helps create a comfortable and non-threatening environment for the child. Pediatric surgeons are different from other surgeons. Children are not cooperative during the examination and may not be able to explain the issues they are facing. Expert pediatric surgeons are trained and skilled to extract the necessary information they need from the child and the family. Also, pediatric surgeons are well trained to utilize surgical instruments that are different from the ones used for adults. These necessities are only provided by a pediatric surgeon. The pediatric surgeons diagnose, treat and manage many of the children's surgical needs, including surgeries needed to correct birth deformities, surgeries to treat undescended testes, hernias, hydrocele and varicoceles, injuries or wounds treatment that require surgery, tumors or cancer surgeries in children, transplants, endoscopic procedures including other diagnostic procedures. Pediatric surgeons are highly expert in performing laparoscopy procedure for complex pediatric diseases such as hernia repair, undescended testicle, gallbladder removal, cholecystectomy, renal system abnormalities, adrenal gland surgery, pyloromyotomy, nephrectomy, uretropelvic junction obstruction, vesicolateral reflux, choledochal cyst excision, intestinal malrotation, intestinal obstruction. Apart from all these, a pediatric surgeon also provides care before, during and after surgery as needed by the child in a child-friendly setup. They are committed to work closely with other specialists to provide the best care that every child needs.